All right, so the last two problems on here are in fact new probably to most all of you, but I'm going to walk you through them. There's actually just one detail that you're looking for, and it's really the word random. So if we have random in the right place, and I'm not out to trick you, so I will put it in the right place if it's there, then we get special properties. So something we talked about in class the first week is whether we're just interested in the people we surveyed, or if we want to take those people and apply that to a larger group. So if I surveyed 50 students at Western about Hawaiian pizza, I'd want to be able to use that to say something about all students at Western and their preferences regarding Hawaiian pizza. So to do that, the key thing I'm looking for here is a random sample. So if I have a random sample, I am good to go to apply or generalize those results. So our story, we want to find out what students think about food at the rack. So we talk to the registrar's office and they provide the email addresses for 250 randomly selected Western students out of all of our current students to survey. Will we be able to generalize our results to all of the students at Western? So that random selection is what we're looking for. So we do have a random sample. So the answer here is just yes. Okay, so again, I'm not out to trick you. It will say, yes, we have a random sample, so we can, or no, we don't, so we can't. Okay, so I won't mix the wording up on you. I'm really just looking for you to read and say, oh, it does say I have a random sample, or I randomly chose people. All right, so we will see this again in chapters 8, 9, 16, 17, 20, and 21. So you'll see this come up definitely in the second half of the course. Okay, and then the last one. So this time we're going to talk about random in a little different way. So this type of random is what gives us what's called cause and effect. So the way that we get this is if we think about an experiment, like we talked about this first week, about the one where we gave some people a sugar pill and we gave some people that herbal remedy, and we hoped that it was going to make their colds a lot better. So if I let you choose which one you took, that would be a problem. But if I put everybody's name in a hat and I randomly draw half of the names out and give you the sugar pill, and the other half are going to get the herbal remedy, then if there are results, I would get cause and effect. So you're looking for these words that say randomly assigned. Okay, that's going to be that idea that I randomly chose half of you to get the sugar pill and half to get something different. So we want to see which way of teaching statistics results in higher grades. We randomly assign half the students to use a calculator for the class, and the other half are assigned to use Excel or some sort of computer program. We compare the grades at the end of the semester, and the computer group scored higher. Will we be able to conclude cause and effect? So again, if you're looking at cause and effect, you're looking at this experiment and making sure it says randomly assigned. So since it does, we'll mark this one that says yes. So because we did randomly assign people to the treatment groups, we do have cause and effect. So in other words, we do have evidence that using that computer really helps students to score better.